Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic. What is the topic that? And first of all, who will be not subscribe our channel? Please subscribe our channel. Ask your question anything about the digital marketing related. So how we can earning the money? So how we can earning the money from Facebook, Google's? So this all we can learn. You can comment me on my comment box. I definitely will be make the video upload for you, and I will support the particular things. Now, so a lot of people worry about that my website not indexed on the Google search. So what is the major mistake? So how will we resolve the my mistake option? In this purpose, you have to first of all functionally you have to understanding for any website you have to promoting. So any kind of website. First of all, any URL indexing is more important. Indexing is the more important. There is a purpose. First of all, you can updating for new XML sitemap. There's a compulsory important, including page lost modification attribute, automatically calculate page priority attribute, change frequency you can selecting for always. Now start to indexing on the particular pages, how many will be there? They will give the count XML sitemap. The major important XML sitemap, site indexing for links on the particular Google Search Console purpose. The indexing, the people will be given information on the particular XML sitemap will be generating will be site link optimization. So that is purpose to compulsory install XML sitemap to download any new link will be updated on your particular website. There's a major important task you have to done by the your particular website to index will be compulsory option. After indexing this one, you have to updating for a particular option will be called where it is and the Google option. In this purpose, we have to use for the search.google.com slash search hyphen console. So that is compulsory we have to use here in the particular URL. So my website will be open. Here my performance, my everything will be there. So in this one, first of all, we have to finish your XML sitemap. Without finishing this option, we can't do anything will be here. In this sitemap, when last update will be done 24, this will be 26. So I can updating once again in the particular URLs. What is the URLs? How much update will be happen? So previous one, we can remove option is there, everything is there. See the index coverage here. Anything other? Zero. Valid with warning? Zero. Valid will be 217. Excluded. Everything will be here. So here, any issues? Currently not index. So index what is a problem for here? Just we can open the URLs and fix the particular things. Which is not indexing, we can indexing the particular URL. How we can indexing? We can checking for Google Search Console. The option name is called URL inspection and click it. So here the one more option is there. Every information will be given by in this option. Issue for valid and temporary disabled due to the upcoming changes in the report. So that is the reason request to index. When index time, what are the parameters you have to check? First of all, I'll show you here. So that all will be important key points. So guys, everyone you can making a website. So how we can facing problem for indexing? That is a compulsory have to capture the point is more important. Where in the search console. Without search console, we can't do zero works. That is the important key point each and every website. So that is the reason I have to take as action for XML sitemap to update on the my particular website on Google Search Console. So what is not done by your here? So everything will be checked out the URLs and indexing will be once again will be start on the particular pages. So when you open here, what are the pages are pending? Just copy the URL Done. Here you can check sitemap non-detected. So there is not detected. Last crawl none. Google bot desktop is crawl indexed not allowed. Page first not allowed. Index not allowed. Not allowed. So this all will be in this. What we can click for text requesting is done. After that, what are the option will be showing here? You can check it out. Text live URL. So what are the coverages is not indexed on your web pages. You have to done by the URL inspection is must and should important. Why? Because Google Search Console updated will be request to index will be activated. In the previous video, I can explain that it will be deactivate for the Google Search Console option. If you go to the my previous video, so the update is given by the recently few days back or few days back I will give the advertisement. So that will be the stop by indexing method request to index. So now is enable that option. So now we can go for here. So in this, you can go to this option. We can check our video. See previous. If I'm clicking this one here, the page action are temporarily disabled. So what do you mean? Request index previous disabled. Now what is that? The option will be enabled on a particular request index option. So mobile usability issues, logo done everything. Now simple we can issue for once again refresh. You have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes or less than 1 minute of time. You have to wait for the particular times. So what are the coverage issues? How we can know that? Click this option. Here everything will be open your report on coverage, which is excluded. Check out the options. Crawl currently not indexed. Discovery currently not indexed. So this all will be alternate page with a proper canonical tag. So we can check everything will be here in this option. Simple we can go to here coverage in this. Check it out. Here will be export information we have downloaded by the CSV format. Check the each and every URL. The option will be here already. Or else open each and every one and activate the particular URLs on the URL inspection option. After that, there will be anything facing the problem. So we have to fix the problem with the developers. So clickable element is closer than together. Too small read, current wider with the screen. That is compulsory you have to fix. Now, if any new URL come into the market on your website, just copy. We have selecting for in this. See not there. What showing is not there in sitemap. Yes. Now what showing for not available. So now 387 download. So close all option. We have to log in cPanel. Log in cPanel. Go to file manager. Previous sitemap is there. Right click. Delete. Upload. Sitemap. Here we can go to where sitemap. Update here. Sitemap.xml. Submit. Links are here. Now you can check it out. Connect with the link. So you are not still not updated. Once you update the file, the show will be in this particular option. So now I'm updating for new files. So here after updating file, the link will be indexed on where XML sitemap folder will be done. What you click for request into index. So the URL will be compulsory XML sitemap mandatory field. If you're not done mandatory, so indexing will be facing problem will be here. So a lot of people will say, sir, XML sitemap we thought we can go for index. Yes, we can go for index. That will be based on the clicks will be index will be happen. But is a fast indexing purpose, you can compulsory updating for XML sitemap on Google Search Console will be indexed on the particular URL. There will be index on the particular URL on Google Search Console option. There's a key point you have to follow that to increase the search volume on the particular website. XML sitemap is the key point on your website. That compulsory you have to follow that index on that. So every update on your particular website is mandatory field. And what are the your download the file will be here. The compulsory date wise you have to download the particular format. The compulsory we can updating for where in a particular option will be called in this requesting done and click for text live URL. After test live URL, what are the previous showing for none of the available that all will be showing for S option will be done. Any issues you are facing problem on Google Search Console, you have to fix the issues and once again solved by the your Google Search Console option. Previous icon friendly, the mobile friendly issue are facing the problem. Compulsory you have to fix and working on the issues and you can index a URL on the Google Search Console option. So we have to follow these instructions. Compulsory index the URL on the Google Search Console option. Which one is the first priority? To update the XML sitemap, the compulsory we have to show by the sitemap option. As a free of cost, we can download only for 500 links. After 500 will be finished, we have to go for Pro Sitemap. That is a charging for login. The prices will be given 1000 to 1.5 million of site links. They're charging for 3.49 monthly for dollars. So this is the major important key point on the here. So after done, everything will be done here. So this is a format you always follow for index the URL on Google Search Console option. So what are the things here? Everything will be done. After done this one, simple we have do that which URL front. Just you can go for multi refresh. We have to use Control F. We can do for the multi refresh for 3 to 5 times and index the Google Search Console option. It will be done. Request index is updated new version. Follow the instructions to the based on index your URL on the Google Search Console option. Index is more important. We have to increase the keyword research purpose. Follow these instructions. Index URL on the Google and increase your keyword search. When people will be keyword will be search on Google, they show your website on Google top pages. Follow these instructions and increase your website traffic. Guys, if any have facing that problem, please ask me in my comment box. I'm always will be support in your website. And who will be not subscribe our channel, please have subscribe our channel, like, share our videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video.